Some Victorians believed that a crime scene photograph wasn't always necessary because the murderer's face could be captured on the retina of the victim. Could the eyes of the dead hold the key to solving a murder? In the 17th century, a Jesuit friar called Christopher Shiner claimed to observe a faint image on the retina of a frog he dissected and started a whole new scientific pursuit, optography. The idea was taken up in the 1870s by the German physiologist Wilhelm Kuhn. His experiments with rabbits and frogs aren't for the faint-hearted. He tied these poor creatures up and forced them to stare at bright objects for hours at a time before decapitating them and removing their eyes. Kuhn then cut the eyeballs in half, and using an alum solution with sulfuric acid to fix the pigment into an image, he created what he called an optogram. Intriguingly, one optogram appeared to show a barred window that a rabbit had been forced to stare at. The Victorians quickly latched onto the idea that optography could be used as a tool in forensic investigations, and an image of the murderer's face could be found burned into the eyes of the hapless victim. Murderers even began destroying their victims' eyeballs, just in case. Despite our fascination with optography, no murders have ever been solved using this strange and gruesome process.